With me Dr. Pooja Tripathi. She is the spokesperson of the Congress. Pooja, where a situation arises that the entire country stands united for the welfare, for the safety and security of our countrymen. How do you view such stray statements that come from a Rakesh Tikait who calls himself as a farmer leader, or his brother Naresh Tikait? There was a statement that was just a few hours ago made by a senior Congress leader, Saifuddin Soz, or just a few days ago Siddaramaiah coming out and speaking and saying that he is not in favor of the suspension of the Indus Water Treaty. What message would the Congress like to give to all these elements, all these personalities and politicians? And I don't understand what motivated agenda do they have to make such statements, to be compelled to make such statements.
The message of this terror attack was it was an attack on the soul of India. But bigger than the soul of India, it was an attack on the Jamhuriyat, Insaniyat and Kashmiriyat of the land of Jammu and Kashmir. And I'm very happy that NewsX, I'll go to your question later, I'm very happy that NewsX is actually debating on the resolution passed by J&K in Assembly. Because terrorists tried their level best to make it Hindu-Muslim issue, to make it something. But what the stories that came out, the heroism of Syed Adil Hussain Shah, who fought against terrorists to save his own, the tourist he was carrying, or the story of that Liaquat Chacha who saved 11 tourists, or the stories that the tourists are bringing back, that Kashmiris offer them free food, free water, free accommodation, travel and everything. I think that shows how India as a nation stands against this attack on its very ethos that we uphold. And that's where, when the whole all-party meeting was held, every political party has been very steadfast, be it Congress or be it any regional party, or I'll say, they have been very steadfast in their opinion that we stand with the government of India and whatever actions we take, but we want retaliation, because this is not done. You just come into our territory and attack 26 unarmed, 26 innocent civilians. This is not done, and this should be retaliated. And I'm sure government and every political party, if you talk about statements, Siddaramaiah ji talked about efficacy of war. I have not read the Naresh Tikait's statement. I'm really sorry, I could not respond to that. But I'm sure these statements are aberrations, and there have been insensitivity on both ends. As soon as 2:30 p.m. Pahalgam arrest was happened, BJP Chhattisgarh put out a very insensitive Ghibli cartoon of that Lieutenant Vinay Narwal and his wife, and that was very insensitive on Bharatiya Janata Party part. Bharatiya Janata Party Karnataka put out questions to why whenever Rahul Gandhi visits foreign country and there is a terror attack. So when we talk about aberrations, and this has been brought to the notice of Rajnath ji, this has been brought to notice of Home Minister Amit Shah ji, that you cannot look divided when it comes to something as heinous as terror attack. And I'm very happy and very, very, very glad, very, very proud of our country, that we stand united when it comes to facing that, when it comes to facing the terror attacks, and each of their nefarious attempt, asking if you're Hindu or Muslim, and then gunning down the innocent civilians. This has been just, boiled down. This has been just diluted, because as a country we stand as a country we stand against this activity of Pakistan, and as a country we say that no to terrorism.